Hello, welcome to the Ink Show. Anna here, and I thought that we would make some of these little envelopes today. It's not my own pattern. I found it online. I'll link it below. But it looks like this. Hopefully that's in frame. Seems like it. So some tools. We got the tiny attacher. We got scissors, a pen, a glue stick, just some distress ink, the little spongy thingy, whatever this is called, and a punch and some old book pages. You can stay there. And so I got this book that I used for a cover for actually this book. How convenient. So I used a cover and I had a lot of book pages that were unused, and I ripped out all the ones with some pictures, well, not like photos, but pictures, like drawn pictures of various plants, I would say. But I had a lot of book pages left, and I didn't really want to waste them because it was like good quality. Some I just tossed because they're pointless, but these were pretty and good quality for what I wanted. Now let's see if I can figure out, should do it like this. Like I said, it's not my own pattern, so I won't take credit for that. And I've been trying to make a lot of envelopes with just like squares or rectangles because I'm lazy. But I never really got the result I was going for, so finally I caved and I looked online and found this little cute pattern. And I made some cute envelopes with it, so that's good. All right. So it's really not hard. All right, then we'll fold this. One, two, three, and four. And it works just fine too. Glue it together like it is. I'll do the fancy thing with the distress ink. All right, some glue. It's the blue kind that turns to, well, you can't see the blue once it's done. Tuck in the flaps. Big flap goes on top. There we go, we have an envelope. But it won't stay open, or won't stay closed. It will stay open, I can tell you that. So, what do? We make a little heart thingy. And distress it as well, so it will match up with our envelope. right there. So let's eyeball this somewhere there. And ta-da! And now you have an envelope. And of course, I mean, you can do it with whatever closure thingy you want. Here's a super thin wood veneer heart, but I didn't have enough to put them on all my envelopes. But there's that, and let me show you an example of, here's one that I put into my junk journal. I just attached it with a little paper clip, and as of right now, I have nothing in it, but I mean, you can tuck whatever little note in there you want. I actually thought of putting, you know, Project Life cards, because we all have thousands of them. Thousands? That's not the correct term. We all have thousands of them. You can keep it open if you want that, or you can cut the little card into a proper size. If you want, you can put in, like, you know, a little folded note, pictures, whatever. I think you're creative enough to know what to put in an envelope. But that's really it. It's not more complicated than that. And like I said, I'll put this little template in a link below this video. Have a good day. Bye.